What's up, you guys? Chef Billy Parisi here, and today I'm going to be making a family favorite. It's my secret croissant bread pudding with Zabaglione, and we're going to be making it in partnership with Franke Kitchen Systems. I've been making this recipe forever, and no joke, one time my aunt and uncle said I could not come over to their Christmas Eve party without bringing this croissant bread pudding recipe. It is that good. I have to admit, I'm a little hesitant to show you how to make it because it's kind of one of my signature secret dishes, but you know what? It's too good not to share. Here's how we get this done. So we've got some croissants that need to be cut up, and the Franke Chef Center is perfect for this because you know what? Croissants are messy, they're flaky, they're dirty. So I cut it right on the accessory cutting board in the Chef Center. Place it on a sheet tray lined with parchment paper, and guess what? When I'm done, I spray it off. Boom, no mess. Wife is happy. So what we're gonna do is put these in the oven. It's gonna take about 15 to 17 minutes on 350 degrees for these croissants to sort of brown up and crisp up a little bit. This is great timing because now we can make our custard. We've got some vanilla beans. What we wanna do is slice these in half long ways. We're gonna add them to the pot. We've got some heavy cream, pour that right into the pot. We want to scald this and sort of loosen up the vanilla beans so those seeds in the inside are really easy to extract. So put it on the cooktop over low, medium heat. Again, we just want to scald it. Go back over to that countertop. It's time now to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. You are going to be a pro at this when this is done because we have 15 eggs here. Simply crack the egg and then using both shells sort of bobble the yolk back and forth until the egg whites are completely out of the shell and all you have is a yolk. Add them to a very large bowl. And if you like egg whites in the morning for breakfast, it's all you. So once this is done, add in some sugar to the bowl with the egg yolks, and you want to whisk it until it is completely combined, maybe just 30 to 45 seconds. At this point, our milk should be scalded. Go back to the cooktop, give it a couple stirs. Now head over to the egg yolk and sugar mixture. We want to temper these eggs. That means we pour in a little bit at a time, sort of raise the temperature of those egg yolks. We don't want them to scramble or anything like that, so you have to be careful here. Add a little bit, stir it in, add a little bit more, stir it, and then finally finish it off by adding in all the cream to the egg yolk mixture. Whisk it together until it is completely combined. Now, you'll see the vanilla beans at the bottom of the pot, and remember I said extract the seeds. So using a paring knife or even a butter knife, because the vanilla beans are nice and soft, scrape the inside of that vanilla bean, get as much of that goodness out as you can. That's where all the flavor is, and simply add it right to the egg yolk, sugar, and hot cream mixture that you've mixed together. Whisk it all in there so you get all those vanilla seeds, and then you'll be able to see these little black specks. Absolutely delicious. Now, grab those croissants out of the oven, take them back to the countertop where your custard is. We're gonna transfer it now to a big casserole dish. You could actually put this in a large cast iron skillet if you want as well. Pour it right into that casserole. And now here is another secret. Sprinkle dried cherries all over these croissants. This is just gonna take this recipe to the next level. And then pour the custard cream all over the croissants. And what I like to do is sort of push down the croissants a little bit, kind of submerge them in the custard, make sure they're getting coated in that wet mixture. And before you add it to the oven, what you want to do is completely wrap it in foil to sort of steam bakes. Nothing browns, nothing gets too overly crispy or anything like that. In the oven on 350 degrees, gonna take in between 45 and 50 minutes, but this is great timing. And it's as if this recipe wasn't loaded with enough goodness, we are gonna indulge. We wanna make some homemade whipped cream. So in a standing mixer, add in your heavy whipping cream. Next, we're gonna add in some sugar. Last but not least, some vanilla extract. We wanna whisk this on high speed until stiff peaks are formed. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes to do this. At this point, take the bowl off the standing mixer, hit it in the refrigerator, and go hang out for 20 to 25 minutes. We are almost finished with this recipe, but we've got another amazing topping that's simply gonna make this croissant bread pudding recipe. It's called Zabaglione. Say it with me, Zabaglione. Super fun to say. In a pot on the cooktop, we need to make a double boiler. So with my awesome Franke pot filler, I'm simply gonna fill up the pot till it's about 3/4 full, turn it on medium-high heat. Go back over to that countertop. I've got some egg yolks. I'm gonna pour it in a metal bowl. Next, I'm gonna hit it with some sugar. We're gonna mix it just until combined and then go back over to that double boiler. Hopefully your water has got a nice little light boil at it. Add the bowl right to the top of that, and I like to whisk it for about 30 to 45 seconds just to combine everything, kind of heat those egg yolks up a little bit. Now we're gonna pour in the champagne. This is just taking this thing to the next level. It is so good. You aren't gonna believe how amazing this is. Whisk this thing continuously, vigorously. I mean, your arm's gonna hurt. I promise it's worth it. It is so delicious in the end. Whisk it for about 4 to 6 minutes over medium-high heat. And you know what? If you're feeling like, gosh, these eggs are starting to scramble, simply take it off the burner for a little while, take it off that double boiler, put it on the countertop, whisk it, add it back, keep whisking until it becomes nice and thick. It's gonna look just like hollandaise sauce. You know you are there when it's at that consistency. Okay, everything is finished. Time to simply plate this guy up. What I like to do is add some of that Zabaglione right to the top of the bread pudding all over the place. And then to finish it, just the whipped cream, little bit of mint, boom, we are done. Let's try it out. Oh man, this right here is what dreams are made of. It is so good. Let's try it out. I don't know what else to say. I just want to eat this. We'll see you next week. Thanks, Franke. Thanks for watching. Come next week. I'm going to have something awesome. See y'all later.